Civil engineering at Whiteman really is the opportunity to serve government clients and private clients as we work in infrastructure and transform land.
Civil engineering here is mostly about the people. It's about the client. It's about what does the user and the people who are going to use this facility, this park, this parking lot, whatever it may be. It's all about the people. It's about who is this going to serve in the long run.
When we're out there talking with clients, we're really learning about kind of the challenges they're having, the projects going on in their community, and then being able to connect the dots with the right people internally that have the appropriate skill set to help them with whatever the challenges, whether it be a road, a bridge, water treatment plant, buildings, things like that.
A big initiative in the state of Michigan right now is asset management, which is really looking at what are all the things you have and what kind of shape they're in so you can plan for replacement. So there's a real coming together between GIS and what I call our smart maps. So we can inventory those things, so we can identify the conditions, and for communities that are able to be proactive and start to fix the problem in many cases before they happen.
There are two different meanings to the word GIS: Geographic Information Science, Geographic Information Systems.
GIS is geographic data, so anything on the earth is classified as geographic data. Information is the middle of GIS. That is data, that is information. And then systems are maps or applications or things, ways to organize that information so that you can utilize it.
Engineering and GIS are so interrelated. All of our projects and services rely so much on information now, and GIS is that perfect tool to capture information in a geographic manner.
I would say the engineering department really relies on us to handle and process their data. They often need it processed into different data types. Then we produce products like web service products, apps that we can provide for our client for those systems that then can go out to the public or are used internally by the client.
We have a lot of tools at our disposal, and working here, I'm able to learn the newest technology. I have access to a variety of different clients, a variety of different problems, different data types, and I'm able to learn and develop my skills, and then I can help a variety of different clients.
Just recently, last year, we actually are helping out the county, Berrien County, with inventorying and rating all of the culverts in the county. They knew that they had approximately 900 culverts. Since we started last year, we've increased that number of 900 to 2,400 culverts known in the county, and we expect that there's probably another 1,000 to 1,500 that we just haven't found yet. Culverts have not been an item that most of our counties are tracking in the same way they are their bridges. That is helping out the county in multiple ways. Number one, as they're projecting projects for the future on how much it will cost to do a section of road, they will know there's 4 culverts that need to be replaced at the same time. So those costs can be easily added to their estimates at the beginning. The other way that it's helping is bigger than the county. DNR could be looking at their data and finding areas where they would like to throw some money in to help change out some sizes that would benefit fish and wildlife habitat. That could be true across the state. Even the state themselves can look at this data and determine how many culverts are in poor, good, or great condition.
At Whiteman, we use it to support our clients, to make them more efficient so they have access to the information they need to do their jobs, and then helps them with their decision making, and we can use our technology to help them do that.